And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the HG 1/144 Gundam Aerial from the series of Gundam The Witch from Mercury. And of course, before we start, I bought this kit from Hobby Toys Laguna, who is celebrating their 8 years anniversary this month. So back to the unboxing. So right now, what we see here in front of us in the box art is we see Gundam Aerial, and I think this is right inside the campus where Soleta Mercury is enrolled, and we see Gundam Aerial with his beam rifle and the bits configured as the shield. So off to the side, we see Gundam Aerial and the various gimmicks that it has. Off to the other side, we see Gundam Aerial front and back. We see details of Soleta Mercury, the pilot. And of course, advertisement on the Witch from Mercury. And of course, you can scan this to go there. And other more details. Okay, so let's open up and see what's inside the box. First up, we see one bag with 2 sprues. One sprue is multicolored, and of course they have one part here which is, if you remember Gundam Refit, and the what do you call that? The details is already printed over, or part of the part. Anyways, okay, so that's one bag. Second bag, we have 2 sprues and a sticker sheet. Third bag contains 3 sprues, 1 all gray, 1 clear blue, and 1 green. And let's not forget the instruction manual. So it's reminiscent, or rather the same with Lefrit and Begurbeyo, where it's small and everything is very detailed, where each page will tell you which sprue you need, or rather when you're building a part, it will tell you which sprue you need, and the corresponding parts. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first up, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have yellow, light blue, red, and clear gray parts. So we see parts of the body, parts of the feet, some parts of the legs, and some parts of the shield bits, or the bits that flies over. So that's the A sprue. We also have a B1 sprue, which is all white, which I think contains armor parts for the legs, shoulders, and arms. And it's continued by a B2 sprue, which is still all white, and we can see here we have already parts for the skirt, front skirt, back skirt, side skirt, and of course I think for the head as well, and some of the gun bits also. And we have a C2, or sorry, a C plate here, or a C sprue, which is all gray, and we can see that these are, internal parts for the body, internal parts for the legs, for the arms, and some parts for the gun bit, and the gun or the rifle. So that's the C sprue. We have a D sprue here, which is a green part, the only green part, and I am very pleased or happy that they did not make this into a sticker and print that out or made a separate sprue. We also have a E sprue here, which is a clear blue color for the effects for the rifle and the beam sabers. And lastly, we have the F sprue here, tightly sealed inside this bag, wherein this is a clear part with some printed details already. Same with how it was in Gundam Refit. So Bandai's engineering is getting better and better. And then we see here the sticker sheets. One sticker sheet actually, and this silver stickers here are actually there's a printed design on its back, wherein if we put this in the clear parts, the clear gray parts earlier that we see in sprue A, it will show the same design as on this part here, like when the gun bits are being activated. And of course, yes, we have the instruction manual, where again, like I said, is very detailed. It tells you what sprues you need for each part, and of course, yeah, how to form the shield with the various gun bits and other things and other details of Gundam Aerial. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HG1 number 144, the Witch from Mercury Gundam line series Gundam Aerial. And again, like I said, this kit was bought from Hobby Toys Laguna, who is celebrating their 8 years anniversary this month. So why don't you drop by in their Facebook page, link in the description. And of course, if you are new to the channel, this is Mixerwars saying, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, sharing the videos, and viewing other videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.